Hello, welcome to May 4 through May 8th, Day 2 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grades 6 through 8. It's your teacher, Mr. Ebeling. This presentation is based on the grades 6 through 8 newcomer ESOL May 4th through May 8th, Day 2 paper packet. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Ruhr Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. Our theme for this week is perseverance, and today we are learning about perseverance on the ocean. Look at the picture. What do you see? What do you want to know? Write or draw in the chart. When I look at this picture, I notice a man, a boy, and a monkey on a boat on the water. There are cows with barrels tied to them, and the boy is pointing a gun at a shark. I wonder how these people got into this situation and what will happen next. Read the new words below to help you understand today's story from Swiss Family Robinson. Look up the words in a bilingual dictionary to write it in your language. This is a picture of the word supplies. Supplies are the tools, materials, or things that you need to be able to do something. The supplies I need for school are a pencil and a notebook. This is a picture of the word barrel. A barrel is a large wooden container used for holding supplies on a ship or for holding other things in large amounts. The barrels were full of flour and rice. This is a picture of the phrase figure out. To figure out is to think about and work on a problem until you solve it, to understand something. Can you help me figure this out? I just don't understand it yet. This is a picture of the phrase next to. Next to is on one side of something or beside it. The apple is next to the box. This is a picture of the word on. On means on top of something. The apple is on the books. This is a picture of the word off. Off is the opposite of on, not on. That person jumped off the boat. This is a picture of the word toward. Toward is going in the direction of something, moving closer to it. The man is running toward the green mountain. This is a picture of the word into. Into is going inside of something. The cat jumped into the box. This is a picture of the word around. Around is going all over something or moving in a circle outside of it. The bird goes around the post. This is a picture of the phrase in between. In between is in the middle of two things. The bird is between two boxes. Read the short story from the Swiss Family Robinson below. The theme for this week is perseverance, which means to keep trying, even when a problem is really difficult. Notice how Fritz and his father persevere to be able to solve their problem. Swiss Family Robinson, about the book. Remember, the book Swiss Family Robinson is about a family that gets on a ship to travel to another country. While they are in the middle of the ocean, a strong storm comes and breaks the ship. The family has to leave the ship, but they are in the middle of the ocean. They take some supplies like food, and they make a boat from empty barrels. They jump off the big ship into their little boat. They float to an island where they are alone. The family has to figure out how to live on the island. Getting supplies off the ship. The family has lived on the island for 2 days. They have a little bit of food, but they left many supplies that they need on the big ship on the ocean. Father and Fritz decide to go back to the big broken ship to get their supplies. On the ship, there are big barrels full of food, like cheese, butter, flour, potatoes, ham, and some seeds. Their farm animals are also on the ship. A cow, a sheep, and a donkey are all on the broken ship in the middle of the ocean. Now Fritz and Father need to figure out how to get the animals off the ship. They get into their little boat and row toward the ship. It is a long way, the water is rough, and their boat is not strong, but they persevere and they get to the ship safely. They carefully look around the broken ship and take the supplies they need. They throw the supplies off the ship into their little boat. Getting animals off the ship. Then it is time to take the animals off the ship. But how can they do it? They are in the middle of the ocean and the animals can't swim. Fritz and Father think about it. How can they solve this problem? Then Fritz figures it out. They put the cow between two empty barrels and tie a long rope around him so the barrels will stay next to the cows and help him float. Then they drop him into the water. They do the same thing to the sheep and the donkey. The animals swim. The idea is working. Fritz and Father get into the little boat with the food and supplies and begin to float back toward the island. A dangerous shark. Suddenly Fritz shouts, "Oh no! Oh no!" He points in front of him in the water. A shark is swimming fast toward their sheep. He is going to eat the animals. Quickly, Fritz points his gun at the shark and shoots. 3 bullets hit the shark, and the water next to the shark turns red with blood. The shark swims away. Fritz, Father, and the animals are safe, for now. Complete the sentences using the correct preposition to match the picture. Then, for an added challenge, draw your own picture and write a sentence to show that preposition. The words to choose from are between, in front of, next to, around, on. 1. The little bird is on the box. Your example. 2. The bird is blank the 2 boxes. Your example. 3. The little bird is blank blank the box. Your example. 4. The little bird is blank 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 the box. Your example. 5. The little bird is flying blank the box. Your example. Here is what I wrote. 1. The little bird is on the box. Your example. The cat sat on my car. 2. The little bird is between the 2 boxes. Your example. I sat between my mom and dad on the couch. 3. The little bird is next to the box. Your example. The apple is next to the banana on the table. 4. The little bird is in front of the box. Your example. My sister sat in front of the TV. 5. The little bird is flying around the box. Your example. We ran around the house all day. Choose the best word to complete each sentence, making a summary from the story from Swiss Family Robinson. First, Fritz and Father decided to go to the broken ship to food and toward or supplies. They get in their little boat. It is made of empty barrels or next to. They go between or toward the broken ship. On the ship, there are farm animals, food, and supplies. Fritz and Father throw the supplies they need off or figure out the ship into the little boat. They have to next to or figure out how to get the animals to the island. Fritz has an idea. They tie the animals between or barrels, 2 empty barrels. The animals can float back to the island. The idea works. The animals are floating. Fritz and Father get into, or supplies, the little boat. They are sailing back toward the island. Suddenly, Fritz sees a shark. Figure out, or in front of, them. The shark wants to eat the animals. Fritz shoots the shark, and the shark swims away. They are safe for now. Fritz and Father sail back with their supplies. The family will be so happy. And here are the answers. First, Fritz and Father decide to go back to the broken ship to get food and supplies. They get in their little boat. It is made of empty barrels. They go toward the broken ship. On the ship, there are farm animals, food, and supplies. Fritz and Father throw the supplies they need off the ship into the little boat. They have to figure out how to get the animals to the island. Fritz has an idea. They tie the animals between 2 empty barrels. The animals can float back to the island. The idea works. The animals are floating. Fritz and Father get into the little boat. They are sailing back toward the island. Suddenly, Fritz sees a shark in front of them. The shark wants to eat the animals. Fritz shoots the shark, and the shark swims away. They are safe for now. Fritz and Father sail back with their supplies. The family will be so happy. In the stories we have read from Swiss Family Robinson, we have seen the family persevere through many challenges. Write a sentence or more about a part of the story where a character does not quit, even when a problem is really difficult. Write a sentence about another story or movie when a character perseveres. In Swiss Family Robinson, the characters persevere when blank. In blank, the characters persevere when blank. This is the end of this presentation. Please complete as much as the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.